Welcome to Lily Artist English, fabric painting for beginners, and I am going to teach you how to paint a simple flower with different techniques. I will guide you through the drawing and painting this flower step by step. All the material and information you need are in this video, so make sure to watch complete video for better understanding. I am drawing this out on a sheet so that you can understand it better, and then I will explain it to you. Right now, I will also show you how to create design with this flower on fabric. So make sure to watch carefully. If you are a beginner and can't create big design yet, you can start with this one. Simple yet beautiful. Follow the painting step I will show you and then you can DM me your work on Instagram. In this video, I am going to show you two design. First here our cute little design and I will also show you an advanced version of this flower in the same video on fabric. Okay. So this one I'm drawing on the sheet, a very cute little design. You can practice it out if you are very beginner. Alright, let's check out color mixing. First of all, I mix deep brilliant and flash tint. If you want to see more videos on flash tint, check out the daily videos that are uploaded on my main channel Lily Artist Fabric Works. I have painted with this color combination, the flash tint, and created really beautiful effect. So you can check it out later. This one, the rose flower. Come back to the point. I mix these two color and prepare them in a separate bottle, which I am going to use in today's video. I will show you how to paint, starting with the drawing I just did on the sheet. Okay, so here, how you are going to fill this out step by step. I am using flat brush and mention the detail on the screen so you can read it. And the first thing we are going to do is the flower like this. Now let me show you on the fabric. Alright, here the design I'm going to paint on fabric for you. You can see I have drawn the same flower here and I really put some effort into the design because I want to give you some great options. You can design it this way and it's actually pretty easy. Here, how you can practice drawing and arrange the same flower beautifully to create a design. Now, check out the color we prepare by mixing flash tint and April. We are going to fill it evenly using a flat brush size 1. Number 1, we will do it step by step, trying to keep it neat and clean. Make sure the color doesn't go outside the outline of the flower. I prefer to sketch the design with pencil, or if I have to trace it up, I use carbon paper. I especially avoid using pen for a couple of the reason. If you are using light shade, after a while the ink of the pen shows up on the lighter color and it doesn't wash off. Plus, if you have used dot pen, that won't wash off. And I also made this video on this topic, why you don't use dot pen on the fabric directly. Now we have done step 1 and moving toward step 2 is outlining the flower with deep brill. Okay, and for this step you need a lot of patience. Okay, I'm going to give you a clear outline. Right now I'm using round brush size 4. You can use 0 or 1 number brush instead for the outlining. Got it? Mine is this thin and it's size 4. Now I'm going to outline all the petal one by one like this. These are very easy and basic step, but if you follow it out step by step, you will find out in the last your flower will look very beautiful and advanced and you will good to go. Now I have painted these three flowers. For our second punch, the first thing we need to do is prepare the color. Let's see how we can do that. First, I took some white and mix in dark purple and bottle name is Mauve 14. When you mix it with white, it turn into light purple. After mixing it with really well, I put that color in a bottle. And again, I will fill it up on the sheet first and then on the fabric. Here I'm getting you ready for the color mixing because if you have some basic color, you will learn how to mix them well. You can prepare colors and create combination without needing to buy a tons of different color. That's why I'm including mixing in this series. I'm also covering shading technique and all the basic you need for fabric painting design. So this series will be super helpful for you. You just need to practice. If you want to learn fabric painting in one-on-one class, so online classes is also available. Recorded batch is always available. You can join anytime, and live classes will be happening in April or the next month. So whenever you are watching this video, you can check it out the community posts to ensure that when the live classes will be starting. Okay. Now we are going to start filling in our flower using light purple color we just mixed, and check this out. Now that we have filled this, let's grab our dark purple. I am using the same round brush, it's size 4, but you can also use a regular brush number 1. Okay, look at how thin the hair is. We need a brush like this. We are going to outline our flower petal one by one. After this, I will be using more techniques to paint the flower, and I will explain everything to you. We will go through it all one step at a time so there is no confusion. So first let's finish outlining and then we will move on the third bunch. I will let you know which color to use and how to mix it. I hope you're really enjoying this video, and if you find this helpful and appreciate my effort, make sure to like this video and share with your friends and family and let me know in the comment section. After painting and outlining these two bunches, we are moving toward third bunch of our flower, and here I am mixing the color flash tint and yellow to make a color combination which I will be using for the third bunch of the flower. You can see all the detail on the screen. I have mentioned all the details so you don't have, and also I'm showing you that how you can paint on the sheet and fabric. So in this video we are painting these two designs simultaneously so that you can understand the difference and learn how to paint both with the same paints. So let's start painting the third bunch with the yellow color combination. So step 1 is filling the petal with the flat brush. So let's fill it up, and then I will be explain step 2 and step 3. For step 2, I'm using yellow mix of yellow and brown shade and using a 1 number liner brush so that you can understand what I'm saying about the outlining. After outlining, we will move toward our step 3. What is our step 3? In step 3, we will use the same round brush and the same color we used to outline, but we will use it in a very small amount on the brush, and we will start shading from the bottom side beginning with the center part. Here I'm going to shade it in upward direction, alright? So just watch how we are starting to shade one by one. This is our step 3. In step 1 we fill it in, then in step 2 we outline it, and now in step 3 after shading like this, you will see how much beauty of the flower enhanced. I will show you a comparison of what it look like with shading and without shading, so you can see one look better. Now check out how I shade this purple flower with dark purple. I've told you about different kind of pollen, but since we are doing a simple flower, I can't go too advanced just yet. So I'm just keeping it basic for now. But trust me, it will look beautiful. Look, we are also adding pollen in purple, and this I will show you a comparison. We add a shade in purple and we did the same in yellow, but we haven't done it in pink yet. You will see the difference. It's super easy step, and if you follow along, your painting will turn out really beautiful. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to shade this too. We are starting off with the deep brilliant color to shade the flower. After that, I will show you how to paint its beautiful leaves. This leaf is super cute, and I'm using light green, olive green for it. Just watch closely because I'm going to give you some really easy step for painting. The color combination look adorable if you use it in the way I'm showing you. If you have been paying attention to the video, I don't think you will have any question left. Step 1 of leaf painting is similar to the flower. We have to fill it with the olive green. or you can fill it up with a light green. And here the brush I'm using is brush number 8. I have mentioned it on the screen also, so you don't have any questions or query. You just watch the video completely. If you have any query, watch it again and then practice it. It will very helpful for you in your fabric painting journey. After filling the leaf with the light green, I'm using sap green color. We will start outlining our leaf one by one with that sap green color and round brush. After that, I will tell you the third step once we have outlined the leaf. After outlining with the sap green color in step 3, I will be shading. Okay. Once we have outlined the leaf, we will add shading. In the same way I showed you for the flower using a darker color which is sap green. So in today's video I showed you how to do that. You can easily paint by following some simple steps. First I showed you how to fill in, then outline, and then finally add the shade. I hope you got all the steps, and here's the final look of the painting. Take a look. You should practice in the same way. I will show you the final look of the easy design right here. Check it out. This is the close-up and that's how your shading will turn out. For those who want to practice the smaller design, here's a photo for you. And if you are really interested in fabric painting and want to learn, make sure to subscribe this channel because on this channel you will get all about the fabric painting in English. That's all for today. See you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.